Hello everyone, my name is Omar Lamy and I'm a returning Mallet student. Uh, and just a little bit about me. I'm from a fairly large family. I have aunts, uncles. I'm an only child from my mom, one of many from my dad, and I have lots of nieces and nephews. And originally I'm from Jamaica, uh, West Indies. If you're familiar with Jamaica, it's probably uh, primarily through Bob Marley's music and, of course, some Jamaican jerk chicken. Just quick facts on Jamaica. Jamaica is the third largest island in the Greater Antilles and the Caribbean after Cuba and Hispaniola. And now I'm living in Yonkers, New York, which is located along the Hudson River, and it's New York's fourth largest city, and it's the largest city in Westchester County. And in my professional past, I work in schools helping teachers to integrate technology into teaching. And my future uh, interest for technology revolves around working in a K to 12 environment as an instructional technologist, or probably going on to a doctoral program to pursue some kind of research, and possibly college level teaching. And I look forward to sharing and growing intellectually with all of you. Now, for the tool that I found that I want to share with the class, it's more or less probably related to I don't know to what extent it's related to STEM or STEAM, except that it would probably fall into the arts category for learning English, and it's a Sound English tool that I was able to download, and it goes through short vowel sounds and long vowel sounds, double vowel sounds, voiceless consonants, voiced consonants, voices consonants. And if one click on it, for example, I click on the I, it will sound it out, for example. And then there's also like a little video that helps with the pronunciation. So, that was one tool that I found, and I wanted to share it. And as I said before, it's, for those who are just learning English, uh, for someone who English language is their second language. And, I find this would probably fall in the category of beginners, English language learners. So, it's worth um, using if someone is new to the learning English language. And I thought of sharing this one. So nice to meet you all again. And I look forward to learning as much as I can in this class, and perhaps getting into some designing of some tools of my own. Have a good day.